सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर एक भरोसेमंद गारंटीड होम ट्यूशन है और ये होम ट्यूशन के अलावा ऑनलाइन टीचिंग का भी एक प्लेटफॉर्म तैयार कर चुके हैं। तो ऑनलाइन ट्यूशन और स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एक होम ट्यूटरिंग ये जो सारे फैक्टर्स है इसमें अवेलेबल है। तो इस सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर को आप ज्वाइन करें और अपना जो फ्यूचर है वो ब्राइट करें। तो इसी तरह हम इस सक्सेस एजुटेक और होम ट्यूटर इनको अपनाए, यही विनती आप सबके लिए। Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success EDUTECH. I am Prashant Jadhav. Today we are watching some GK quiz and their answer. These all questions are most important for their growing knowledge, and so I have taken these all questions in here. Now I am starting my session. First question: the national tree of India is? What is the national tree of India? This is the first question, and the answer is banyan tree. This is the national tree. Second question. Next question. Which is the tallest animal in the world? Giraffe. Giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. So, next question. What is the full form of RAM? Random access memory. This is the full form of RAM. Who wrote Discovery of India? Jawaharlal Nehru wrote Discovery of India. This is the book. This book was written by Jawaharlal Nehru. Which is the tallest statue in the world? The Statue of Unity, India. This is the tallest statue in the world. Okay, next question. Young, one of the horses is called. Young horses. What's we call? Colt. C-O-L-T, colt. How many players are there in a cricket? 11 players are there in a cricket. How many days does Earth take to revolve around the sun? 365 days. The biggest sea animal is dolphin. Which is the largest desert in India? Thor Desert. Which is the densest jungle in the world? Amazon. When is Teachers' Day celebrated? September 5th. A place where bees are kept is called aviary. How many sides are there in a pentagon? 5. Which is the smallest state in India? Goa. Who is father of nation? Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is the father of nation. So I have completed my lecture. Namaskar.